Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a cream puffs. To the water, add salt and butter and bring it to boil. Now start to simmer, remove it from the heat and add the flour all at once. After it's completely incorporated, back to the stove and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove it from the heat and leave it to rest for another 2 minutes, but try to stir it every 30 seconds. After 2 minutes, add eggs, but first I will add vanilla to the first egg and combine. Then add the second egg, add them one by one. See the consistency? Now I will transfer it into a piping bag. I'm using tip 1M. I'll make them small, but they will puff and become bigger. Before you bake them, brush them with egg, room temperature, and then bake at 400 for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take them out of the oven and just make a little cut, just like that. And then put them back in the oven, but this time the oven is off, for another 10 or 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will cut them into two and leave them on the cooling rack to cool completely. This is whipped cream with vanilla and icing sugar. And some of them I will add a blueberry sauce on top of whipped cream. And I will top them with chocolate sauce. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment, and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching.